Welcome back to the channel. If you've just got the Galaxy S26 Ultra and want to keep that stunning display safe from scratches, drops, and daily wear, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the best Galaxy S26 Ultra tempered glass protectors with our top 6 picks for 2026, tested for clarity, durability, and touchscreen performance. From ultra-clear premium options to value-packed multi-packs, we'll help you choose the right screen protector that keeps your screen looking pristine without compromising responsiveness. Let's dive in. On number 1 is the TOCOL for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus Screen Protector 2-pack. Is a budget-friendly tempered glass protector set that offers military-grade shatterproof protection designed to keep your phone's 6.7-inch display safe from everyday scratches, drops, and impacts. And it's tailored to fit the Galaxy S26 Plus precisely, while remaining case-friendly and supporting fingerprint unlock and touch sensitivity, so your phone's functionality isn't compromised. In real-world use, these protectors deliver solid scratch and impact resistance for daily use, with a smooth feel that doesn't interfere with swiping or tapping, and they're easy to install thanks to a bubble-free design. Important, since many users note that cheap protectors can affect fingerprint accuracy or touch responsiveness if poorly made. Compared with higher-end tempered glass options like those from Spigen, which often include premium materials and alignment tools, the TOCOL set stands out for its affordable price and straightforward protection, though premium alternatives may offer slightly better clarity and edge durability. Pros include military-grade shatterproof protection, sensitive touch and fingerprint compatibility, case-friendly fit, and great value with 2 protectors in the pack, while cons include slightly less premium feel and long-term durability compared with higher-end brands, and tempered glass protectors in general can sometimes affect fingerprint sensor performance unless recalibrated. Overall, the TOCOL screen protectors are a good choice for everyday protection on a budget, especially for users who want to safeguard their screen without spending much, though those seeking the absolute best clarity and toughness might consider premium alternatives. On number 2 is the Magic John for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus Screen Protector 2-pack is a budget-friendly tempered glass screen guard set designed specifically for the 6.7-inch Galaxy S26 Plus, offering 9H hardness for scratch resistance and an easy, fast installation with auto dust elimination and bubble-free adhesion that helps keep your display clear and protected without frustrating air pockets or dust trapped underneath. The ultra-thin design also supports fingerprint unlock and smooth touch responsiveness, so everyday use feels natural without compromising sensitivity. In real-world use, these protectors perform well for everyday protection against scratches, bumps, and minor drops, and their HD clarity preserves the vivid look of the S26 Plus display while remaining compatible with most cases on the market, which is especially useful if you pair them with a protective case. Compared with other generic tempered glass packs for the same phone, the Magic John set stands out for its quick, self-aligning installation and solid anti-scratch performance at a low price, though premium options with alignment tools or stronger edge protection may offer a slightly more refined fit. Pros include fast and easy bubble-free installation, strong 9H tempered glass protection, support for fingerprint unlock and sensitive touch, and good value with 2 protectors in the pack, while cons include potential fingerprint sensor sensitivity issues common with glass protectors, which may require recalibration, slightly less premium feel than higher-end brands, and tempered glass can still crack under very hard impacts. Overall, this set is a solid, affordable choice for everyday screen protection for Galaxy S26 Plus owners who want reliable coverage without spending much. On number 3 is the TORRAS Unbreakable for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus Screen Protector 2-Pack is a premium tempered glass protection set engineered to deliver 9H+ military-grade shatter resistance and aerospace-level toughness, promising up to 12 feet impact protection to keep your 6.7-inch display safe from drops, bumps, and scratches, while maintaining high-definition clarity and touch sensitivity that supports smooth swiping and accurate fingerprint unlock. The full-coverage design also helps protect curved edges and works well with most cases without lifting. In everyday use, these protectors feel very solid and durable, offering a crisp, clear view of your screen and excellent resistance to everyday wear. And many users appreciate how well they preserve the original display brightness and responsiveness compared with cheaper protectors that can dull colors or interfere with touch. Compared with basic generic tempered glass options, the TORRAS set stands out for its higher durability rating, stronger edge protection, and better long-term performance, though it's typically priced above budget alternatives. Pros include 9H+ military-grade toughness with 12 feet shatterproof strength, full coverage edge protection, excellent touch and fingerprint sensitivity, HD clarity, and case-friendly fit. While cons include a higher price point than basic protectors, tempered glass can still crack under extreme impact, and installation still requires careful alignment. Overall, this screen protector pack is a great choice for Galaxy S26 Plus owners who want robust, long-lasting protection without sacrificing display quality or touch performance. On number 4 is the IMBZBK Privacy Screen Protector for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, 6.7-inch. Is a privacy-focused tempered glass protection kit designed for users who want to keep their screen content hidden from side views while maintaining strong everyday protection, featuring anti-spy technology that narrows the viewing angle so only the person directly in front of the screen can clearly see the display, which is useful in public spaces like commuting or offices. It also includes 3 tempered glass screen protectors and 3 camera lens protectors, making it a complete protection bundle. The auto dust removal installation system helps achieve a cleaner, bubble-free application, while the case-friendly design ensures compatibility with most phone cases without lifting at the edges. And the military-grade tempered glass provides solid resistance against scratches and minor impacts. In real-life use, the privacy filter works effectively to protect sensitive information, though it may slightly darken the screen and reduce brightness and viewing angles, which is common with privacy glass. Touch responsiveness remains generally smooth, and the included camera lens protectors help safeguard against scratches without affecting photo quality when properly installed. Compared to standard clear protectors like TORRAS or Magic John, this IMBZBK option trades a bit of clarity for added privacy, making it more specialized rather than purely protective. Pros include strong privacy anti-spy feature, multiple screen and camera protectors in one pack, auto dust installation system, military-grade tempered glass durability, and case-friendly fit. While cons include reduced screen brightness and viewing angles due to privacy filter, possible slight impact on fingerprint sensor performance, and privacy layer may not be ideal for users who prefer maximum display clarity. Overall, this protector is best suited for users who prioritize privacy and all-in-one protection, especially those who frequently use their phone in public environments. On number 5. The SMARTDEVIL 3-Pack Screen Protector for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus delivers clear, durable 9H tempered glass protection tailored for the 6.7-inch display, with fast and easy installation using an alignment frame that helps ensure a dust-free, bubble-free fit. And it's also fingerprint reader compatible, so your phone's biometric unlock works smoothly without interference. In everyday use, it provides solid scratch and impact resistance while maintaining high-definition clarity and touch responsiveness, making it a reliable choice for daily protection. The included alignment frame simplifies placement, reducing installation errors that can lead to bubbles or misalignment. And the case-friendly design means it works well with most Galaxy S26 Plus cases without lifting at the edges. Compared with basic plastic film protectors, this tempered glass set offers better hardness and longevity. Though, like all glass protectors, it can still crack under severe impacts. Pros include strong 9H tempered glass durability, clear HD visibility, easy installation with alignment frame, fingerprint sensor compatibility, and a 3-pack for multiple installs or backups. While cons include potential cracking under hard drops, common to glass protectors, slight added thickness compared to film protectors, and installations still requiring careful alignment. Overall, this 3-pack is a good value option for everyday screen protection on the Galaxy S26 Plus, especially for users who want clear, responsive touch performance with straightforward installation. On number 6 is the Spigen AluminaCore Glas.tR Fit Screen Protector. 2-pack is a premium tempered glass protection solution engineered for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus that combines aluminum-enhanced durability with 10H+ hardness, meaning it's significantly stronger against scratches, impacts, and everyday wear than standard tempered glass options, thanks to its advanced AluminaCore technology that uses aluminum oxide and silicon dioxide layers to reinforce the structure. The included Easy Fit installation system makes applying the protectors quick and precise. Even first-time users find it easy to achieve a bubble-free, dust-free fit, thanks to the alignment tray and automatic positioning. In daily use, the screen remains crystal clear with high-definition visibility and doesn't noticeably reduce brightness or touch responsiveness, and the oleophobic coating helps repel fingerprints and smudges for a cleaner display. Compared with basic budget protectors, this Spigen set offers superior scratch resistance and a much easier installation experience, though it's typically priced higher than generic glass protectors. Pros include 10H+ hardness for robust protection, AluminaCore reinforced glass, easy fit installation with minimal bubbles, clear HD transparency, and case-friendly design, while cons include a higher price point than basic protectors, and tempered glass can still crack under very severe impacts, a limitation of all glass protectors. Overall, this protector is a great choice for Galaxy S26 Plus owners who want strong, reliable screen protection with easy installation and excellent clarity.